Enhance your videos with Screencal's premium stock library. It's filled with hundreds of thousands of stock images and videos you can use for any project. You can unlock this feature as a Premiere user. To begin, let's start by adding an image from the stock library. Open the video you want to edit. Go to the point on your timeline where you want your stock image to appear. Click on Tools, choose Overlay, and then Image. You'll notice a menu providing several options to choose from. Let's go over those. You can choose an image from your own files, add an image from the clipboard, or choose an image from the stock library. Under Recent, you'll find previous images you have used. To choose an image from the stock library, click on Stock Library. At the top of the page, you can search our library for an image, or choose from popular categories. Once you find an image you want to add to your video, click on the image. Click here to send to the editor. You can adjust the image by dragging the sides or corners to fit your video. There are several options to customize your image, including adjusting the shape or adding shadows. Click on Style to customize. Once you are done with the image, click OK. A yellow bar will appear indicating that an image has been placed on your video timeline. You can also insert videos on your timeline. To add a video from the stock library, click Tools. Choose Insert, then click Video File. Once it is done, the insert bar will appear. You can move it around your timeline and choose where you want the stock video inserted. Discover all that ScreenPal has to offer with Premiere images and video. Create, share, and experience video with ScreenPal.